Theta value equivalent to 16.2304 rands a coin. The present cost range, 15.8970 to 16.8193. The earlier day close, 16.7004. The change was 0.4700, 2.81%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 16.96 rands, high 18.15, low 15.77. Theta figure on Friday, May 26, cost 16.88 rands, high 18.06, low 15.70. Theta cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 16.23 rands, high 17.37, low 15.09. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost 15.89 rands, high 17.00, low 14.78. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 16.01 rands, high 17.13, low 14.89. Theta conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost 15.73 rands, high 16.83, low 14.63. Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 15.89 rands, high 17.00, low 14.78. Theta conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 16.01 rands, high 17.13, low 14.89. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 16.56 rands, high 17.72, low 15.40. In about 14 days Theta gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost 16.54 rands, high 17.70, low 15.38. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 16.68 rands, high 17.85, low 15.51. Theta gauge on Friday, June 9, cost 16.98 rands, high 18.17, low 15.79. Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 16.55 rands, high 17.71, low 15.39. Theta gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 16.98 rands, high 18.17, low 15.79. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 16.88 rands, high 18.06, low 15.70. Theta gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost 16.01 rands, high 17.13, low 14.89. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 15.82 rands, high 16.93, low 14.71. Theta estimate on Monday, June 19, cost 15.20 rands, high 16.26, low 14.14. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 15.28 rands, high 16.35, low 14.21. In about a month Theta estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost 15.13 rands, high 16.19, low 14.07. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 15.59 rands, high 16.68, low 14.50. Theta gauge on Friday, June 23, cost 15.60 rands, high 16.69, low 14.51. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Theta cost forecast for May 2023. Initially cost at 18.06 rands, excessive cost 21.75, while low cost 14.78. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.65. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 16.01, change for May 11.4%. Theta figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 16.01 rands, excessive cost 18.17, while low cost 13.91. They found the middle value of cost 15.86. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.35, change for June 4.1%. Theta cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 15.35 rands, exorbitant cost 16.01, while low cost 13.91. They found the middle value of cost 15.06. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 14.96. Change for July 2.5%. Theta estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 14.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.96, while low cost 12.49. They found the middle value of cost 13.96. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.43. Change for August 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at 13.43 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.56, while low cost 13.43. Found the middle value of cost 14.73. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.48. Change for September 15.3%. Theta estimate for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at 15.48 rands. Excessive cost 19.22, while low cost 15.48. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.04. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17.96. Change for October 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset, cost at 17.96 rands. Excessive cost 17.96, while low cost 14.03. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.26. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 15.09. Change for November 16.0%. Theta conjecture for December 2023. At the outset, cost at 15.09 rands. Excessive cost 15.09, while low cost 11.79. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.66. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 12.68. Change for December 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset, cost at 12.68 rands. Excessive cost 14.86, while low cost 12.68. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.53. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.89. Change for January 9.5%. Theta conjecture for February 2024. To start with, cost at 13.89 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.63, while low cost 12.71. Found the middle value of cost 13.73. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.67. Change for February 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with, cost at 13.67 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.67, while low cost 11.35. Found the middle value of cost 12.72. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 12.20. Change for spring 10.8%. Theta estimate for April 2024. To start with, cost at 12.20 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.88, while low cost 12.20. Found the middle value of cost 13.30. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.91. Change for April 14.0%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place, cost at 13.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.91, while low cost 12.04. Found the middle value of cost 13.20. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 12.95. Change for May 6.9%. ZAR to Theta swapping scale equivalent to 0.0616 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0595 minus 0.0629.